Welcome to this introduction to Yomidas, the Yomiuri Shimbun's online database that puts Japanese history and the latest news at your fingertips. First published in 1874, the Yomiuri Shimbun has over 150 years of history and is one of the oldest existing newspapers in Japan. It has the largest circulation of any newspaper in the world. The Yomiuri reports on news happening in every corner of Japan and around the globe. Yomidas gives you access to over 150 years of Yomiuri articles online through your computer, tablet, smartphone, and other devices. Yomidas contains over 18 million articles, printed by the Yomiuri since the first issue, and continues to grow by about 250,000 articles every year. Using Yomidas to discover and gather information is easy and takes just a few clicks. In this video, we will explain 5 key points to help you find precisely what you are looking for. Yomiuri Shimbun articles. Search print edition. English articles from the Japan News. Contemporary who's who. And data categorized by era. Let's get started. When you log into Yomidas, this screen will be displayed. These tabs represent each content category. First, let's take a look at the Yomiuri Shimbun. Here is the search bar. By entering a keyword here, you can search all Yomiuri Shimbun articles from 1874 onwards. If you click on Add Search Filters, you can input more specific search conditions. You can find articles more efficiently by narrowing the publication date and region, or by searching categories such as politics or culture. Let's try searching for Shoshikure ga, which means declining birth rate in aging population. Here are the search results. You can choose to display articles in order, either from newest first or oldest first. Additionally, you can narrow down the search results further by specifying more conditions in this area on the left. Let's take a look at one of the articles. This article is displayed in a full-text format and in a clipping view of the original article. If the selected article is displayed as text, click Read in Print Edition. This will display the clipping, allowing you to read the article in its original layout. On this screen, you can easily zoom in, zoom out, or print. By clicking Next, you can scroll through the search results and read the articles one by one. For articles from 2023 onward, you can click View Entire Page to see the full page where the article was published. The article you searched for is now marked with a blue thumbtack, making it easy to find on the page. You can see at a glance where the article appeared on the page, which generally indicates its importance as a news story. To return to the home screen, click the Yomidas mark in the top left corner. The Current Topics corner links you to recent news and topics. Click on any item of interest to read it. Let's click on Current Topics. Here, you can choose articles from a variety of links related to fields of interest. The information is also displayed by era, making it easier to quickly find what you're looking for. You can also access popular series and featured articles without having to search for them. Let's take a look at the weekly series Shukatsu On. Every edition of this series that focuses on job hunting tips and information is organized chronologically, making it easy to follow. Now, let's return to the home screen. Next, we'll explain how to search articles from the Meiji, Taisho, and Showa eras using the chronological table. Click on Chronological Search. As you can see, there is a chronological table starting from the 7th year of the Meiji era, or 1874, that lists major events. Here, you can select the year you want to search. Click on the listed keywords to find relevant articles. Let's select the year Heisei 1, or 1989, and click on Shohizei Jishi, which means Introduction of the Consumption Tax. Major events and historical incidents are displayed in a list. Click on an event to bring up articles about it. Next, let's explain how to use the Search Print Edition function. When you click on the Search Print Edition tab, this screen will appear. From here, you can view each entire newspaper printed from 2023 onward. Let's select Seiji, which means politics, under Publication Page's name. Here, we will explore articles printed in the Politics section of the Yomiuri's Tokyo Headquarters edition. You can browse the entire pages where political topics are published, zoom in and out, or print. You might also come across articles other than the ones you searched for and discover new nuggets of information. By clicking Next, you can flip through the pages one by one, as if you were turning the pages of a real newspaper. If you want to see the latest headlines or browse through the past week's newspapers, you can easily browse every page just like you would with a real newspaper. Next, let's take a look at the Japan News. The Japan News is an English-language daily newspaper published by the Yomiuri Shimbun. Yomidas allows you to view articles printed in the Japan News since 1989 in text format. Enclosing multiple words in quotation marks will generate a search for them as a single phrase. Let's try searching for Japanese population, a phrase related to the declining birth rate in aging population. Click on one of the articles. As you can see, the article is displayed in text format. Clicking Japanese Hobun under the headline brings up the original Japanese version of the article. You can compare the English and Japanese versions, making it a great tool for learning English and Japanese. Next, let's explore Contemporary Who's Who. Here, you can search for contemporary people in Japan and abroad by entering their first or family name. Even if you don't know a person's name, you can search for them based on various details such as employer, job title or types, school, field, birthplace, and date of birth. For instance, let's search for Bank of Japan Governor Kazuo Ueda. Start the search by entering the hiragana character for U as the surname's first letter. Selecting President Governor under job title types. Click Search and click on Kazuo Ueda. Doing this brings up all kinds of information about his background and achievements. Scroll down to check articles related to a person, giving you an even deeper understanding of them. Lastly, let's go over how Yomidas organizes its data. Articles are displayed differently based on the era in which they were published. Articles from the Meiji, Taisho, and Showa eras are displayed only in the full page format. Articles from the Heisei and Reiwa eras are stored as text data up to the latest issue from the previous day. Issues dated from August 16, 2003 onward can be viewed both as full text and in the clipping format. For issues from January 1, 2023, the entire newspaper page is available, along with the text and clipped pages. This allows articles to be displayed in up to 4 different formats. We hope this video helped you understand how to effectively use Yomidas and maximize what this incredible digital archive has to offer, whether you're searching for information about historical events or the latest news. You can unearth new facts and discover new insights. We hope Yomidas will become a trusted partner in your pursuit of knowledge.